So, hello students, hello everyone. Here I am with one more program of array. Okay, and in this program there is a concept of string also. Okay, so without wasting your and my time, let's start with this program. Here we go. See, go through the program which I have shown on the screen. So here it is said define a class to declare an array of s- declare an array to accept and store 10 words. 10 words means we have to declare an array of string type since we are going to store what words means strings. Okay, so here we have to declare an array of string type. The first thing, the size of that array will be what? 10. Okay, so after declaring and taking input, what we have to do, we have to display only those words which begin with capital A or small a and also end with letter capital A or small a. Okay, for examples, if consider if you have entered these words in input in the array, consider these elements we have taken as input. Okay, so the output should be what? Anita, Amrita, Alina, and Amitha. These are the words which are starting and ending with letter A. Okay, so I hope the things are clear. What to do in the program, I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, so let's start with this program. So that basic required things we need: import class, main function, and scanner class object. Then, as I told, here we are going to store 10 words. So to store 10 words, we require an array of string type. So here I am going to declare an array of which type? String type. String name, you can take anything since we are taking words. So I am taking the array name as words. Then square bracket. Then again new. Then again type of array string. And the size of this array as per the requirement is what? 10. Since we are going to store 10 words. So 10. So what will happen? An array of string type of size 10 will be declared. Means in that array we can store 10 strings, 10 words, whatever you want to say. Here we have declared an array of size 10. So it will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Consider this is the array we have declared. And the name of array what I have taken? I have taken words. The name of array I have taken as words. Okay. Now after declaring the array, we have to take input. Okay. So we have to display the proper message before taking input. We are displaying the message. Message should be what? Sorry for uh, here. What to take input? Here we have to take input 10 words. So the proper message system dot out dot println. The message should be proper message should be here. Enter 10 words. Okay, this proper message. Then as I told in previous videos that to for array input we require a loop. So let's start with the loop, and that loop starts from 0 as because index of array starts from 0. So int I equal to 0. Then I is less than the array name I have taken as words. So the words dot length. Okay, then I plus plus. So we require this loop whenever you want to take input the elements of array. Okay, so this loop, the value of I will start from 0. Then here name of array, now will take input. The name of array is what? Words I equal to sc dot. Here it is said to accept 10 words. So for there are two functions of string input: next function and next line function. Okay, so next function is here to accept a word, and next line function is here to accept accept a sentence. In simple language, I am telling you, if you want to accept a sentence, you require next line function, and if you want to accept a word, you require what? next function. There are two functions, next and next line. For words use next function. For sentence use next line function. So here we have to accept 10 words, so we need to use next function. Please remember this, don't be confused. Okay, so this is the way to take input. So what will happen, I've explained in my previous videos again many times. So here I am telling you only this much, that first time the value of I will be 0. So whatever word you will enter, that will go to index number 0. Next time the value of I will be 1. So whatever you will enter, that will go to index number 1. I is 1. Now next time I plus plus, then I will be what? Now next time I plus plus, I will be 2. So next entered value will go to A2, and so on like this. Okay, I hope it is clear. So and so on many times I have explained in my previous video. Please watch my previous video to know about this, how to take input. This I have explained. I'm not going to waste time in that again and again. So to make it clear, you can watch that previous videos. So here we have taken input. Consider that same input we have taken in this different indexes. At index number 0, we have taken Hari and so on like that, which I have shown already. Consider 10 words we have taken input in the array at different indexes at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 indexes. Okay. After taking input, now we'll go for the. Now we have to check each and every word's first and last letter. We have to check each and every word's first and last letter is capital A or small a. And if it is first and last, both letters are capital or small a, then we will display that word. Simple सी बात है. Means first of all we'll go to at index number 0, words 0. Then we'll go to words 1. The name of array is words. First of all, we'll go to words 0, and you will check first and last character of this. Then we'll go to index number 1. Then we'll check the first and last character of this word, which is at index number 1, and so on like this. Okay, so of each and every word, first and last character will check. Okay, so here I'm going to start. We need a variable, two variables we need, char, and here I'm taking char C1 for the first letter and C2 for the second letter. Last letter, first and last letter, we require these two variables. Okay, now again we start the loop from the 0 because we have to start from index number 0. We'll check the word at index number 0, then we'll check the word at index number 1, and so on. So we need an array, sorry, a loop which starts from 0, because we have to start checking the words from index number 0. Then I is less than, will go up to length. The name of array is what? Words dot length. Then I plus plus, bracket close. Now here first time the value of I will be 0. So we will extract the first and last character of the word at index number 0. First time the value of I will be what? Here I am taking I equal to 0. Here I equal to 0. Words dot length. What is the length of the string? What is the length of the array? The length of the array is 10. So condition true, control will go inside the loop. Now here we'll extract the first character and last character in C1 and C2. So C1 equal to words I. Words I means the value of I will be 0. When the value of I will be 0 means words 0. Words 0 means the word at index number 0. The value at index number 0. Here I have taken Hari. I think Hari is there. Any name you can take, any words you can take. So Hari, consider the name of the value at index number 0 is Hari. So words I means Hari. The value at index number 0. Dot. Here we'll write dot. I'm writing here. Sorry. Words dot char at 0. By this way, we'll get the first character of the word, which is at index number I. This time the value of I is 0, so first character of the word which is at index number 0. Words I, consider here we have taken, and going back to the example which I have taken, Hari. So the index number 0 is here. It is at index number 0. This is index number 0. index number 1, index number 2, index number 2, index number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more is there, 9. Okay, so at index number 0, what we have? Hurry. So AR words 0. The first time the value of I is what? 0. So words 0. Please try to understand. I am repeating this thing again and again. Please try to understand this. Okay, how I am writing. Here you may be confused. You may write the wrong code, wrong program you can write. So please listen carefully. Words I, just check it, watch it carefully. Here I have written words I means first time the value of I will be 0. So words 0 means the word at index number 0 dot char at 0. Okay, means the word which is at index number 0, we are trying to get the first character of that. Here the words I means word 0 means what? As for example, hurry. So words means hurry dot char at 0 is what? H. So C1 will be what? H. Okay, I hope the things are clear. And how am I writing? Please watch it carefully. Don't overlook the things. Watch and try to learn the exact things which you require to write. C2 equal to, again, now we have to extract the last character words I dot char at. To get the last character, we need to get the character from last index. So words I dot char at, then you can write like this: words I dot length minus 1. Char at words dot length minus 1. Now listen, words I, the value of I is what? 0. So words I means words 0. What we have at index number 0? What we have? Hurry. At index number 0, what we have? Hurry. The words 0 means hurry dot length. The length of hurry is what? 4. HARI 1, 2, 3, 4. The length is what? 4. 4 minus 1 will be what? 3. So here what are you getting? Words I means word 0 is what? Hurry. Word 0 is what? Hurry. And char at 3 means index at in hurry. Index number 0, 1, 2, 3. What we have at index number 3? We have I. So the result of this will be what? I. Means in I0, again I am repeating if it is confusing. I0, the word 0, what we have? Word 0, what we have? Hurry. At index number 0, what we have? Hurry. Then char at, here you can see word 0. Word 0 means hurry dot length minus 1. Hurry dot length minus 1 means what? Hurry dot length is what? 4. 4 minus 1 will be what? Finally 3. So char at 3 in what? In hurry. In hurry at char at 3, what we have? Small I. So the value of C2 will be what? Small I. So by this way, we have extracted the first and last character of the word at index number I. Okay, please watch carefully and try to understand how am I writing this. Please try to understand. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. Okay, if any confusion, you can ask to the comment section again. I'm telling you, I'm trying to explain my best. So please. So we got the first and last character of the word, which is at index number I. This time the value of I is 0. So we got the first and last character of the word hurry. At index number 0, we had hurry. So we got the first and last character of the word. So please try to learn how to get. And from array. Okay, words I means when the value of I will be 0, words 0 dot length. Word 0, what we have? Hurry dot length minus 1 will be what? 3. Now, word I means hurry. Word 0 means hurry. Dot char at 3 means char at 3, what we have? I. So, C1 we got H and C2 we got I. Okay. Whether, so you can see the first and last letter, both are not A. Here we are going to print only that words which begin and end with the letter A. Okay. So, now here we'll check. So we got the first character of the word in C1, and we got the second character, last character of the word into C2. Now we'll check whether they are capital A or small a. If they are capital A, small a, we need to print. Otherwise, we will move to the next word. Okay. So here we'll check the condition whether C1 equal to capital A or C1 equal to, sorry, if C1 equal to capital A or C1 equal to either one, no, capital A, small a, both. And this condition is for we are checking whether first character is capital A or small a, whether first letter is A. And also, just said no, and also the last character should be A. So again, we are checking for that. C2 in C2 character, C2 variable, we have taken the last character. So C2 equal to A or C2 equal to small a. Okay. Now, if C1 equal to either capital A or small a, this condition will be true. And if C2 equal to capital A or small a, this condition will be true. If both are true, it means the word is starting and ending with A. Starting and ending with letter A. So condition 2 means this is the required word which we need to print. Okay. So but here you can say in case of hurry, C1 is what? It is not capital A nor small a. So this condition will be false for the hurry. And if it is true, if the first and last character is capital A or small a, then this condition will be true. Then we need to print that word. So here I am printing that word. If this condition is true, means that word is starting and ending with capital A or small a. So that we need to print. So system dot out dot print, and here I'll write that what's the name of array? Words I. That word at that index we will print. Okay. Then loop close, main close, class close. Okay. Like this, when next time the value of I will be 1, I'm showing you one more example, which I'm going to test with one more example. See. Now, next time the value of I will be 1. This condition is false. For hurry, this condition is false. Second time, the I plus plus, from here the control will go for I plus plus. Now, the value of I will be what? 1. Consider now the value of I will be 1. Now, we are going to get the first and last character of the word, which is at index number 1. I is 1. This time the value of I is what? 1. So, words 1 dot caret 0 means we will find the character at index number 0 in words 1, means the word which is at index number 1. Please try to understand. Okay. Here the value of I is what? 1. So words 1, what we have at index number 1, let me show you. We have the word Anita. You can see the word is what? At index number 1, what we have? Anita. Consider the inputs we have taken. So as for example, I am showing you. See here. I equal to 1. Words 1 is what? Anita. Okay. Anita dot caret 0. What we have? Capital A. So the value of C1 will be what? Capital A. We got the first character. Now words 1 is what? Anita. Here also the same word, Anita. Caret words is what? Anita. I is what? 1. So at word 1, what we have? Anita. So caret 0. Words I means Anita. Words 1 means Anita dot length minus 1. The length of this word is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1 will be what? 4. So the result of this will be 4. Caret 4 in which Anita. In Anita, caret 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At index number 4 in Anita, at index number 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means it is the last character of the word is also is what? Small a. So C2 will also be what? The value of C2 will also be what? Small a. Now here you can see the first letter and last letter both are what? Letter A. So we got the required word. So this condition will be true. Okay, this condition will be false. Doesn't matter. Both conditions we have joined with OR operator. So any one of the conditions true, this condition will be true. Now here this condition is false, but this condition is true. So since we have joined both condition with OR operator, so if either one is true, whole condition will be true. So this condition is also true, and the result of this condition is true. The result of this condition is also true. So since we have joined with AND operator, so if both are true, the result will be true. So that word will be printed. Words I. What the value of I? 1. So words 1. What we have at index number 1? We have Anita. So Anita will be printed on the screen. Okay. And so on like this. All the words which are beginning and ending with the letter A will be printed like this. Okay. Please watch this video and watch the code carefully. Code means program. Watch the program carefully. And if still any confusion, please ask. Okay. I have tried to clear everything thoroughly here, and if still if any doubt, any confusion you have, you can clarify with the comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Keep on watching my channel and share with the students who required it. So for this video, this much only. Thank you. Bye.